Constipation makes your stools hard and difficult to pass. It is a very uncomfortable situation which can sometimes be agonizing and painful. Home remedies like baking soda or sodium bicarbonate can help you with constipation relief. You may wonder if this simple, inexpensive kitchen food item can really resolve constipation? Let us explore why baking soda helps with constipation and how to use it for best results. One of the main reasons is that baking soda acts like an antacid. It neutralizes the acids in the stomach due to its alkaline nature, which helps the stools to soften and pass easily. Another reason is, it draws water inside the stomach due to its high sodium contents, which makes bowel movements easy. In addition, it helps the body to release gases that push the stools to pass without blockages. It also cleanses the colon and aids in digestion. For these same benefits, you can also use baking soda for acid reflux and heartburn. So, next time you have constipation, try baking soda in one of the following methods. 1. Baking soda and water. Water with baking soda makes a quick remedy for constipation. Take a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir to mix well. Drink it 2 to 3 times daily. 2. Baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda is alkaline and lemon juice is acidic, and yet together they resolve many digestive issues including constipation. Take ½ teaspoon lemon juice in an empty glass, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and fill the glass with water immediately. You will see some gases release from the drink as lemon and baking soda chemically react. Stir well and drink it immediately. Do it 2 to 3 times daily. You can also add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar instead of lemon juice. Bottom line is, sometimes simple home remedies like baking soda can give you relief from constipation. But, if you are living a sedentary lifestyle, then exercise will help relieve constipation. However, if none of these initiatives work within a week, then your doctor. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.